All right, y'all, we're making 3-meat Harvest Casserole. We'll start with one 12-ounce smoked sausage sliced up and 1 pound of ground beef. And once you got that in there, you're also going to put 1 bag of diced potatoes in there with it. Don't worry if it's all blocked up. It'll unblock up later. And then we're going to put about a 1/4 cup of bacon in there. We can go ahead and smash it up a little bit. And then we're going to throw in 1½ cups of frozen corn in there. And my most interesting ingredient today, we're going to put about a tablespoon worth of maple syrup, because this is a harvest recipe. Once we got that in there, we're also going to put 1 can of cream of mushroom soup in there. Get a little bit of that creaminess going on. Give it that classic casserole feel and flavor. Once you got that scraped out, we're going to throw a few seasonings on there. We're going to put some brown gravy mix in there, as well as about a teaspoon of paprika, and also about a teaspoon worth of thyme. Once you got your thyme in there, we're also going to put finally 1/2 cup of beef broth and all that. Once you have your beef broth in there, go ahead and just mix all those ingredients together. And once you got that mixed around a little bit, go ahead, we're going to put our lid on. We're going to cook this on high for 2 hours. Alright, y'all, after 2 hours, go ahead and take your lid off, and we're going to put 1 cup of sour cream in there. And once you get your sour cream, go ahead and stir it in until it's nice and mixed. And once you get your sour cream nice and incorporated in there, we're going to take 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese, throw it right over the top, just like so. And once you get your cheese in there, we're also going to throw another 1/4 cup of bacon over the top of this. So once you have your bacon and your cheese in there, go ahead and put your lid on and just cook this for another 10 minutes. Alright, y'all, so after 10 minutes, this baby should be ready. Looking nice and melted and bacony. So let's dig on in. Oh yeah. That looks amazing. Here we go.